So coming out in just a little bit is two tops. And they're just some tops that are made from knit fabrics. And so I'm going to show you some knits because we're very low on knits on our fabrics. That would be great for either of these tops. So the first is a cotton poly. It is a charcoal color. It's really beautiful. It's light, great drape. It's got stretch in one direction. And all of these are $11.99. Today, tomorrow. Just a great fabric. Very pretty, very light, really nice. Then we have this beautiful green, and what we know about green is it's everywhere for spring. Just think that spring is green, and green is going to be all over the place. So it feels like an ITY. It's got that much drape to it, but it's a cotton poly, and it's a beautiful fabric. And I know for a fact, because I made something with it, that it just hangs great, really pretty. And they're all Alexander Wang. This is another Alexander Wang. This is a black, and it's a brushed. You know, they call it there's jersey, and then there's a brushed jersey. And brushed jersey has a little bit of a suede feeling to it, and it is lovely. So this is what they call a brushed jersey. It's a cotton poly blend, and it's lovely. It has stretch in both directions. It would be perfect for this little top that we're showing tonight. There's two of them, and they're both of them. Same with this, and we know that lavender is all over for the fall, for spring. Not this fall, for spring, sorry. This is 100% cotton. It has stretch in both directions, and it is very, very pretty. It's just lovely. Again, great drape, so it's really gonna make both of those tops look really super. All right, so I just wanted to give those to you so you got a nice little selection, and happy sewing.